Hello everyone, now we are going to solve the questions based on the aircraft returning. What is given in the question? First we need to read the question. An aeroplane makes a complete half circle of 50-meter radius towards the left. We need to underline the important terms: 50-meter radius and towards the left when flying at 200 km per hour. The rotary engine and the propeller of the plane has a mass of 400 kg and the radius of gyration of 0.3 meter. The engine rotates 2400 rpm clockwise when viewed from the rear. Find the gyroscopic couple on the aircraft and the state its effect on it. Now we need to calculate the magnitude of the gyroscopic couple as well as its effect. Okay. So what is the situations given in the question? Let us understand. See, the direction of view is rear end, and we know that if there is a plane like that, so rear end of the plane is known as the tail, and whereas the front end is considered as nose. Okay, this is the tail and this is the nose. Okay, so we are looking from the rear end. Okay, now what is given in the question? The engine rotates clockwise when viewed from the rear end. So this is your view direction, and the engine rotates clockwise. Clockwise means what? Like that. Okay, and it is given in the question that it turns toward left. If it turns toward left means this would be the left of the pilot. Yes or no? So if this is omega initial, this is the omega final. This is the angular velocity of precision, because it is basically denotes the direction of the angular velocity. Okay, this is not the magnitude, it is direction of the angular velocity. So this is the left turn. That means the active gyroscopic couple will work in that direction. This would be the active gyroscopic couple direction. Yes or no? And the reactive gyroscopic couple would be in that direction. Reactive gyroscopic couple. Okay. So when you place right hand thumb rule, when you apply the right hand thumb rule, you can see that the reactive gyroscopic couple in this direction. That means there will be a raise of raise of nose and lower the tail. Okay, this would be the effect. This would be the effect. Now we need to calculate the magnitude also. So we know that C is equal to I omega p. Okay, what is the value of I? Moment of inertia is mk square, because radius of gyration is given. So mass is 400 kilogram, whereas radius of gyration is 0.3 square. So from here you can get the value of moment of inertia, that is 36 kilogram into meter square. Similarly, you can find out this is equation number 1. Now we can calculate the angular velocity of precision. Angular velocity of precision, that is omega p, and that is equal to V upon R. That's equal to V upon R. Now what is V? Already given in the questions, but it is given in kilometer per hour. We need to convert it into meter per second. Okay, so let me consider V is equal to 200 kilometer per hour. That would be 5 by 18. So from here you can get the value of velocity in meter per second. That would comes out to be 55.6 meter per second. Okay, so omega p, angular velocity of precision, you can calculate V upon R. That means 55.6 upon 50. 50 radius is given. So from here you can calculate the value of angular velocity of precision. That would comes out to be 1.11 radian per second. And what is the value of omega? See here in the question, 200 rpm is given. That means it would be 2 pi n upon 60. So that means 2 pi 2400 upon 60. So that would be the angular velocity of the engine, that would be 251.4 radian per second. Now just have to put all these value in the equations number 1, so you can get the value of gyroscopic couple. What is I? That is 36 multiply omega is 251.4 multiply 1.11. So from here you can get the value of gyroscopic couple, that comes out to be 10.046. Now we are calculating here in kilonewton into meter. Okay, so that would be the final answer of this. Is an integer type questions. You can solve this. Just have to practice these type of questions, because generally in the examinations they will ask you to find out the magnitude. There are a little possibilities that they will ask you the effect, but they can ask you. I'm not saying they will not ask you, but they can ask you. So you know how to find out the effect of the turning of aircraft. Okay, I hope you will understand the solution of that question. So thank you.